Hey, what's up everyone? It's your good friend Eric Thompson. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 income generating activities that are easy that you can take right now so you can make more money. Hey, if it's your first time to the channel, a big warm welcome to you. Press that red button and subscribe so that you get more helpful videos just like this one. Also, if you like it, please like it, a thumbs up. Let's go. I want to give you 5 income generating activities you can do right now, right away, so that you can make more money. I'm guessing that would be a good thing, right? You would like that. I need to tell you up front that you may find some of these to be basic, but my question back to you is, as your coach, are you doing them? Okay, are you doing these things? If you want to be generating more income, are you doing all of these things? How quickly could you do all of these things I'm about to show you so that you can easily start generating income? Okay, so here we go. First one, I want you to contact 5 past buyers. Ideally, these are people that bought their home in the last 12 months. I just want you to call them and check in with them and ask them, how's the house? Okay? How are you enjoying the house? How are you enjoying the neighborhood? Or how are you enjoying the community? How are things going for you? Just check in with them. That's an easy phone call to make. What's gonna happen with these likely is that you can generate a referral. They'll say, hey, it's so funny you called because I actually know someone who could use your help. Okay, so that is number 1. Okay, number 2, I want you to do 5 open houses. Do you know where buyers are right now? They're out looking at open houses. Sure, some of those people are already working with another realtor, but many are not. I want you to go host 5 open houses as quickly as you can because you are then likely to meet some people who could use your help, some people who are out in the market. Go do 5 open houses as quickly as you can, okay? I want you to do 5 property reviews. You know what those are? That's a quick snapshot to show someone real estate activity in their neighborhood, in their community, if they're in a condominium, in their condominium building. Just show them recent activity and then follow up, okay? So these only work with follow up. What's gonna happen here, kind of like up here, it's likely to generate a referral. It's likely they're gonna say, oh my gosh, it's so funny that you're reaching out to me with this because I actually know someone who's thinking about buying or selling, or they may say, it's so funny you're reaching out because actually we are thinking about selling. We do think we wanna do something in the near future. Thank you for sending this. I so appreciate it. That's what they are likely to say, okay? So how are we doing so far? I want you to send texts, okay? 5 texts that are relevant to real estate. All you do is you look at your MLS hot sheet, you look for recent activity, a new listing, a price change, a closing. You think about someone that you know that owns property nearby that particular listing that just came on the market, just had a price change or just closed, and then you text your client to say, hey, I just wanna make sure that you saw this, just wanna make sure that you noticed this. Did you see that this property just came on the market? Did you see that this property just closed? You send them a hyperlink to that listing because then it shows up on their phone with a thumbnail, which is cool. Right, to get that picture, it's interactive, and lo and behold, the next thing you know, you're in a real estate discussion with them by text, all right? So it's likely what? It's likely that they're gonna say to you that they have a referral or actually they're thinking about doing something. That is a really good strategy. The last one is I want you to reach out to 5 referral sources. Who are referral sources? Well, it could be another realtor in another market, right? You know at least 5 realtors in other markets who are likely to send you a referral. Reach out to them, check on them. Also, in your database are people that you know that are way more likely than the average person to know someone that needs your help, all right? So attorneys, financial planners, people in human resources, small business owners, you know people like that. Again, more likely than the average person to know someone who may need your help because they're having a front row seat to change happening in other people's life. So it's super likely you can generate a referral from these. These are 25 separate things. Do you think if you did these as quickly as reasonably possible, these 25 things, do you think you could generate at least 1 transaction from these 25 activities? Now I know some of these may seem basic again, but are you doing them? Are you doing them, and how quickly could you get these done here right now? Because I know you would like to generate income, like I'm guessing that is something you want, you desire. This is how to do it, right? Really easy ways. So if you got some value from this, give me a thumbs up, give it a like, also subscribe, press that red button. That way you're sure to get new videos from me as soon as they come out. Thank you so much for engaging with this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.